Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. Two boxes here. I'll start with box 24. I'll say box 90 for last. Good luck. We got 10 packs in a box, 4 hits usually. There they are. Good luck, good luck. Here we go. Pack number 1. Here on blog, 132 viewers, and we got our first hit, and it's a nice patch there. 3-color patch, gold, sky blue, and white. Can you think of the colors? Anyone know the team? The Chargers, Ryan Matthews again. So 2 Ryan Matthews in the last 2 boxes there. Again, that one is numbered out of 50. 39 out of 50 for the Chargers, and the rest is base. Next pack, new generation of Jimmy Graham for the Saints. That's out of $9.99. And I think 2010 certified right now is the best bang for your buck, I guess you can say. And I actually pulled the same card in my personal break for the Giants. Jersey of Brandon Jacobs and Ahmad Bradshaw. That one's numbered out of 100, dual jersey. The white kind of blends in, but there is a white jersey hidden in there. So 2 hits right there. Next pack, a Pierre Grosjean for the Colts out of 250. Mirror red, and the rest is base. Next up, we have numbered out of 100. Mirror blue, we have a Felix Jones jersey. 17 out of 100. So that's already our 3rd hit. We got no auto yet, so looking for an auto. What up, BT? Gold team of Brett Favre for the Vikings out of $9.99. Not sure why you keep saying that, kind of creeping me out, BT, but what could you do? Sean Weatherspoon for the Falcons. That's out of $9.99. And base. Looking for a big auto. Come on. And that's not the big auto I'm looking for. Sean Canfield for the Saints. Mirror blue autograph. That one's numbered 17 out of 50. Sean Canfield for the Saints. So hopefully we got 2 packs left. Hopefully we get another hit. And we do. Numbered out of $6.99. Panthers again. Tearing it up. Jersey autograph of Monty Edwards. So Panthers are doing really, really well, getting a ton of hits. Trying to look. Doug CVR. Andre Roberts, certified potential for the Cardinals. That's out of $9.99. And the rest is base. Box number 2, which I already cut open. Here we go. Good luck. Box 2 of 2010 certified. We have a Jared Dorick, or Odrick, numbered out of $9.99 for the Dolphins. And the rest is base. I have done basketball once in 2 years, Joe Flaherty. Oh, I was wishing this was autographed. Nice jersey card for the Dolphins. That one's numbered out of 250 of Bob Greasy. Nice Bob Greasy jersey. Jersey card. Oh, have you done baseball yet? You asked. Baseball will be done next. Andre Johnson, 250 mirror red for the Texans. This is extra thick, but it's a decoy. Oh my god, another one. We got the mirror blue. This was last box. Numbered out of 50, mirror blue of Sean Canfield. And now we got a mirror red out of 200 for the Saints of Sean Canfield. So 2 autographs of Sean Canfield. Going for the rainbow, yeah. Got the blue, got the red. Larry Fitzgerald for the Cardinals at a $9.99. So I believe we're looking for 2 more hits, possibly 3. New generation of TJ Ward out of $9.99 for the Browns. What do we got? 4 packs left. Good luck. Pack a base. We're on 2 hits right now, correct? 2 hits we have. Oh, sick. For the Lions. Who was saying that the Lions sucked? Ndamukong Suh, jersey autograph, numbered at a $5.99. Nice. Nice hit. Ndamukong Suh, jersey autograph. High number, $5.99. I might have said $6.99, but $5.99 for the Lions. Nice looking card there. Colt McCoy for the Browns out of $9.99. Certified potential. Base and final pack. Hopefully they gave us another extra hit. Pretty sure we got 4 already. And we got another hit. It'll be for myself. Numbered at a 10 for the Bengals. Nice patches there. 2-color patch for the Bengals of Jordan Shipley. Numbered at a 10. So that'll be going into my little collection there. And that is it for the football break of 2 boxes of certified. 2 boxes left, but nice Ndamukong Suh, Jordan Shipley, a Bob Greasy, and a Sean Canfield. We'll be back. GSN Cards is out.